Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to verify your identity with USAA using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the USAA mobile app on your phone. Now log in using your username and password. If USAA needs to verify your identity, you will see a message asking you to confirm who you are. To verify identity or continue on the screen, USAA does this to keep your account safe. You may be asked to confirm personal details like your phone number, your email, or your one-time security code. Next, USAA may ask you to scan your government-issued ID such as a driver's license or a state ID. Hold your iPhone steady and take a clear photo of the front and back of your ID. Make sure all details are visible and well. Now you may be asked to take a selfie. This helps app to confirm it's really you. Look straight at the camera and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you are done, you will see a confirmation message. Your identity is now verified and you can continue using USAA account normally. And that's it. You have successfully verified your identity using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.